Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading Wake Up, Color Pup by Taia Morley. Please enjoy. Wake up, Color Pup. Wake up, little pup. Out we go. Yellow. Flutter, leap, lunge. Orange. Jump, bound, race ahead, red. Trapped, greet, circle, purple. Sniff, wade, splash through, blue. Squiggle, wiggle, squirm, between, green. Drip, drop, splatter, bark. Dark. Shiver, huddle, stay, gray. Whisper, nudge, look, play. Shimmy, shake. World awake. Rumble, roam, a bumble, home. Wasn't that a cute little story? The dog was all different colors, huh? Yeah, I was just letting y'all know I was watching a thing called TikTok a couple days ago, and somebody had their dog all green, like the Grinch. It was so cute. They had like the special dye on the dog. I thought that was cute. Never seen a green dog before. Well, yeah, you see a lot of things out there. Crazy, huh? Have you seen any colored kind of dogs? Let me know with a thumbs up if you've ever seen any colored dogs out there. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hey, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one, and happy holidays, everybody.